LA corridor traffic, Twin Cessna 210 Charlie Tango, 3,500 at the Marina, southeastbound corridor traffic.
LA Special Flight Rule Cessna 196 at 8, 4,500. We're about 3 miles south of Torrance. We'll be doing the northwest bound transition at 4,500, looking for the traffic that was over the refinery.
Corridor traffic, Twin Cessna 310 Charlie Tango's over LAX, 3,500 southeastbound corridor traffic.
Special Flight Rules traffic, System 4 Sierra Papa, overhead LAX right now at 4,500 north westbound. Special Flight Rules traffic.
Runway 30, arrivals at runway 25 left. Tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30, departures, tower frequency 120.5. All departing aircraft are requested to contact clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15 for position and departure point. All ground traffic use 133.0. Notice, Chairman, runway 25 right, closed. Runway 16 right, closed. Runway 16 left, closed between taxiways Coffin and Kilo. Taxiway Juliet, east of taxiway Lima is a non-movement area. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Romeo.
Through contact ground.
Contact ground, pulse 31.
Long Beach Tower, Twin Cessna 310 Charlie Tango over LAX, 3,500 inbound to land with Romeo.
30 Charlie Tango, Long Beach Tower, squawk 4200.
4200 Charlie Tango.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 5301 Hotel, 25 left at Delta, ready for departure to Chino.
5301 Hotel, Long Beach Tower, runway 25 left at Delta, clear for takeoff. Right turns are for
25 left at Delta, clear for takeoff, 01 Hotel.
Gasoline.
0 Charlie Tango, verify your position.
Yeah, I'm over Alondra Park, just north of Torrance right now.
0 Charlie Tango, roger. Make it direct downwind entry for runway 25 left.
Direct downwind entry 25 left, 0 Charlie Tango. Gasoline, I have fuel. Undercarriage to go, mixture to go, prop.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna November 67431, holding short of runway 25 left at Delta, request closest traffic to 25 left, student pilot.
67431 Long Beach Tower, runway 25 left at Delta, clear for takeoff, extend upwind.
Clear for takeoff, extending upwind, 431.
Inter 01 Hotel, contact SoCal departure.
Contact SoCal departure, Cessna 530 on hotel, thank you.
Zero Charlie Tango, runway 25 left, clear to land.
25 left, clear to land, 0 Charlie Tango.
Sorry, good afternoon, Cessna 5399 Juliet, holding short 25 left at Delta, request a right crossing departure and request 30 Juliet if able.
Number 53999 Juliet, Long Beach Tower, cross, runway 25 left, runway 30 at Juliet, clear for takeoff.
Cross 25 left, 30 Juliet, clear for takeoff, 99 Juliet, thank you, sir.
Number 431, turn crosswind.
So for wind, 431.
Gasoline. Undercarriage is down 3 green. Mixtures in. Props.
Long Beach Tower, good afternoon, Catalina 80's coming up on the break, water with Romeo 25 left.
Catalina 80, Long Beach Tower, report signal.
Editing.
Number 431, number 2, following the traffic on left base, runway 25 left, clear for the option.
431, number 2, clear for the option, 25 left, 431.
Three green, mixtures in, prop is in.
Traffic.